In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import transactions into Xero. Let's dive straight into the process, shall we? First things first, navigate yourself to the Xero website. You'll find it effortlessly by typing Xero into your preferred search engine, or if you already have the URL, that's even better. Once you arrive at the Xero homepage, look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. It's your gateway to entering the world of easy accounting. Click on that and you'll be presented with the login screen. Here's where you enter your credentials. Type in your registered email and the password you've set up. Make sure you type these in carefully to avoid any errors that could delay your process. If your details are correct, hit the login button to proceed. After you've successfully logged in, you need to head to the accounting section. To do this, you might see a menu, look for accounting, or sometimes it may appear as a tab. Don't worry if you're not directed immediately. It's usually very straightforward to find. Upon clicking accounting, the next step is to go into your bank accounts. This is where all the magic of managing your financial transactions begins. So click on bank accounts and let's move to the next important step. Now find the account you wish to import transactions into and click on manage account. This will take you to the management area of that specific bank account, providing various options for handling your account. After accessing the Manage Account options, look for the Import a Statement link. This option is crucial as it's the beginning of the process of importing your bank transactions into Xero. Once you find it, click on it and you're ready for the next phase. Here's where it gets real. You'll see an Upload button. Clicking this prepares Xero to receive the file containing your transactions. Make sure you know where your file is saved because you're about to need it. After clicking upload, it's time to browse for the file on your computer. This file should be the one with all the transactions you wish to import into Xero. Navigate through your files, and once you find it, click on it to select, and then open it to proceed. Now you've selected your file and you're almost there. Click on next to move forward. This leads you through the process where Xero processes the uploaded file. You'll see various prompts and instructions. Follow these carefully to ensure your transactions are imported correctly. The final stretch involves clicking through until you reach the last step. This could involve mapping columns if your file needs it, or verifying transactions. The specifics can vary based on the file and transactions. The key here is to follow the prompts Xero provides carefully. And that's it. By the end, you'll have successfully imported your transactions into Xero. This process can seem a bit daunting at first, but once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. A few tips to remember. Always double check your file before uploading to ensure it's in the correct format and contains the right transactions. Additionally, keep your login details secure, but accessible to avoid any hold-ups in accessing your account. Importing transactions into Xero not only helps in keeping your financial records up to date, but also provides you with the insights to make informed decisions about your finances. We hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, the world of online accounting is vast and full of resources. Don't hesitate to delve deeper into Xero's help sections if you need further guidance or encounter any specific issues during your import process. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on making the most out of your business's accounting needs. See you in the next video.